Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Peggy. Things are starting to feel pretty festive around here. I've been working on some cute festive DIY this week, which I can't wait to share. And today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this show-off shoulder statement piece with ruffles and pleats adding both volume and romantic charms, perfect for year-end parties. Tulle apparel has been one of the latest fashion trends to grace front page worldwide, and it has definitely surpassed its stale cliche of being only fit for brides and ballerinas. Tulle lovers appreciate the delicate, lightweight, and sheer fabric for its display of simultaneous femininity, sexiness, and understated glam. With these unique tulle crop tops, you will be the most beautiful girl in the wonderful parties. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. And here is the final result. I'm so happy with these tops. If you have a goal to making this for yourself, then I would love to see them when you share your pictures on Instagram and tag me at PeggyPeggy while you are at it, so I can see and I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a lovely day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!